this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Pasquini Livia 90 here. So the first problem with this machine was that the water tank water level sensor was not making a connection, so I just scrubbed that with some steel wool and then reconnected the connector. Now you can see there are no blinking lights here. Typically you would see these three lights flashing if the water tank is empty, or if the machine thinks the water tank is empty. So the next problem was that the pump was a little bit weak, which is expected for a pump of this age. You can see here 2003. So usually we recommend replacing the pump after about 5 years. And lastly, I just did a tune-up to this machine. So I descaled the boiler and the heat exchanger, backflushed the group head, replaced the group head's gasket, which you can see here. It was pretty brittle, so there you can see. Usually those are pretty flexible. And then we have the screen right here, and then I deep cleaned the steam wand with the milk cleaner, and then just wiped down the whole machine, made sure everything's clean, soaked the portafilter, and yeah, I'm just going to pull a test shot with our test coffee. So it's not calibrated to the machine, but it should still give us a pretty decent shot. Just make sure that's in there. I'll just stop there for the sake of the video. There you can see, hopefully, nice crema on top. And I'll show you the steam. So hopefully you can see that, and the hot water. Alright, there we go. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.